So we start the problem practice with delta connection. So this one is much more easy, okay, because it is the same thing. So okay, you can write on the piece of paper. Okay, try to do this. Okay, the question is positive sequence. Okay, you have to know the sequence. If they not mention it, make sure that you assume it is positive sequence. Balance delta connection source supplies balance star delta connected load means that this one is delta connection. Okay, and if the impedance per phase is this one, okay, 18 plus J12, okay, and IA is 19.202 angle 35, find IAB and BAB. So you can start this one, okay. Okay, if the question don't ask you to draw, there is a possibility that you don't need to draw, okay, depending on the question. If you see that the mark is large, usually it means that you have to draw the circuit, okay. But usually if they want you to answer the circuit, okay, they will ask you to draw the circuit. If not, you can just apply the formula. Okay, but for your case, you are still new with this. I suggest you draw it, but note that this is take a lot of time to draw. So if you already practice a lot, okay, you don't need to draw because time at the test is much shorter. Okay, if you look at this question, you are only focused on a part of it. Okay, you don't need to find everything. Okay, you have to only focus on one part. Okay, you have, I give you until 9:15, okay? You can start answering it and I will call some of you to share how to solve this, okay? Okay, get ready, Fahim.
Sorry, doctor, I couldn't solve this.
Huh? You cannot solve this.
No.
Okay. So anybody can solve this? Somebody can solve this? No one? Okay, time's up. Okay, anybody can solve this? Okay, no one. Okay, this one is just a simple equation. Okay, let me open the. Okay, so you can see here you have a delta connection. Okay, and it gives that Z. Okay, Z is equals to 18 plus J12. Okay, and IA, this is IA. IA is equals to 19.202 angle 35. Okay. It wants you to find IAB. Okay, IAB is here. IAB and VAB. VAB. So you have to find IAB and VAB. So this is delta connection, means that you have to use the formula. Remember, IL equals to, it says that this is a balanced load. Okay, so IL equals to I phase multiplied by square root 3 angle negative 30 degree. Okay, remember delta delta, anything that delta, this is the formula. Anything that star, you have to use the voltage formula. Okay, and don't forget this is negative. Okay, this one is phase. Sorry. This one is line. Okay. VAB and IAB is phase. Okay. So just use this formula. IA is equals to, okay, IAB, remember this one which should be the same. Okay, IAB wait. Oh, they give line, right? So you have to adjust the formula first. Okay. So I phase is equals to I line multiplied by 1 over square root 3 angle 30 degree. Okay. So remember negative became plus. So use the formula I phase IAB equals to IA. Okay, remember A and A. Okay. IA multiply by 1 over square root 3 angle 30 degree. So IAB is equals to, IA is 19.202 angle 35 multiplied by 1 over square root 3, okay, angle 30 degree. So you get, use your calculator, 19.202 multiplied by square root 3, divide by square root 3. Okay, make sure you be careful. You get 11.0867. Okay, the angle is you just 35 plus 30. Okay, 65 degree. So you get the answer. Okay, and this one, if it's the error is small, no need to worry. Okay, just a small error. Okay, and then how to get VAB? Of course, you just use a Ohm's law. Okay, you use Ohm's law. IAB multiplied by Z. So IAB, you just copy back. Okay, multiply by 18 point, this one, 18 plus J, 12. So 11.086 angle 65. Make sure you practice using calculator because this is a complex number. Okay, don't use a manual calculation, use your calculator. So multiply by, don't forget the bracket, 18 plus 12i, okay, close bracket. So your answer should be in the, okay, rectangular form. Polar form or rectangular form, I forget the name. Okay, but it should be something like this. 239.83 angle 98.69 degree. Okay. So okay, almost the same. Okay, it's okay. Sometimes there are a bit of error. Okay. So this is how you solve this. Okay, just using the formula because this is a balanced load. Okay, we move on to the next part. Okay. So in balance Delta-Wye circuit, okay, Delta-Wye circuit, VAB is 240 angle 15 and ZY is 15, 12 plus J 15. Okay, calculate the line current. Okay, so for this practice, okay, I give you 5 minutes. I think is enough. Okay, maybe 9 minutes. Okay, you have one more time. Okay, 9 minutes. Okay, we start now. Okay, try to do this. Okay, I will call you, one of you, at 9:30. Here you have 14 more seconds. Okay, Aminu Ibrahim, get ready. Okay, Aminu Ibrahim, are you ready? Okay, time's up.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yes.
My answer for the second line current is different than what is on the screen.
Different. Which
Yeah.
one? The second one.
Yeah, the second.
Which, the angle only?
Yeah, just the angle. I got minus 186.34.
186.34. Okay. Okay. So let's have a look how to do this. Okay. What you because I think you do it in the test pad, right?
Yes.
Are you doing? Okay. So I have to write in here. Okay. What is the first thing you need to do?
First thing I did was I took the formula for line voltage.
Line voltage.
V
Okay.
VAN equals to VAB divided by square root 3 angle minus 30.
Okay. First thing, because of this question, they ask you for line current, means that you have to show everything. Okay. So you have to. This one is the line voltage, right?
Yes.
So you have to show everything. Okay. So they give here VAB. You can see here. You say that VAB, right? Is here is equals to this one. Okay. So line voltage. Okay. So VAB is equals to 240 angle 15. Correct, right? So
Yes.
because you have to calculate all lines, you have to mention everything. You cannot just mention one. Before this, you can mention one because they don't ask anything else. But for this case, you have to mention VBC, VCA. Okay. So first thing first, you have to VBC, VCA. So just copy back to 140 because the voltage usually the same. Okay, for this case, remember you have to 15 minus 120. So you get 440 angle. What is the answer?
7.21.
7.2.
Oh, sorry. 15 minus 120.
Yeah, 105, right?
Yeah, 105, yes.
Okay, and 15 plus 120 is 240, 135. So you have the voltage here. Now, because you want to find the current, okay, current here and current here are the same because this is delta. So Y connection, remember Y connection, line current and phase current is the same, okay? But only the voltage is different. So you have to use this formula. You already have the line voltage. Now you have to find the phase voltage. So based on this, how to do this? Okay, how to do this? Aminu Ibrahim, what is your next step? Aminu?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, what is your next step?
So you substitute the value for VAB into.
Okay, you need to know what is your next step. It's basically you have to find phase voltage. Correct? Is that what you mean?
Yes. The
Okay.
phase voltage.
So you have to use this formula, right?
Yeah.
Because you already have the line line voltage, you don't have the phase voltage. So VP is equals to V line multiplied by 1 over square root 3 angle negative 30 degree. Okay. So use this formula. VAN is equals to VAB multiplied by 1 over square root 3 angle negative 30. So what is the answer?
138.564.
Only 2 decimal point is okay. So the angle is 15 minus 30 is?
Minus 15.
Minus 15.
Sorry,
Okay.
doctor. It's 138.56.
56. Okay.
Yes.
So VBN is equals to VBC multiplied by 1 over square root 3 angle negative 30. Okay. So same here. 138.56 angle. Okay. 105 minus, and this one is negative, right? Okay. Negative 105, negative 135. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So VCN is equals to VCA multiplied by 1 over square root 3 angle negative 30. Okay, make sure you show this. Okay. You cannot just write the answer. Okay, make sure you show the step. Okay. So 138.56 angle. Okay, 135 minus 30 is 105. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. So the next part is we already have the phase voltage. Anytime you have a phase voltage or phase current, you can get one another, okay? V phase and I phase, you can get directly by using Ohm's law. Okay? So line. Sorry, the next step is the phase current. So IA is equals to VAN divided by Z. So VAN is 138.56 angle negative 15 divided by what is that? Is 12 plus J 15. So what is the answer?
7.213
7.213
angle minus 66.34.
minus 66.34. Wait, 34. Okay, IB is equals to VBN divided by Z. Okay. So 138.56 angle negative 135 divided by 12 plus J 15. So what is the answer?
Um,
7.21.
Okay, this one is just repeat because this is a balance load. This one usually same. Okay. Okay, 7.21 angle.
It's a minus 135 plus 51. Minus 84, sorry.
Minus 84.
Yes.
Is it correct?
84
Minus
degrees.
84.
That's
Are you
what I
sure?
got in my calculator.
Let me check first. $173. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, make sure you practice with your calculator because it is involve a lot of number, so you can get confused with this. Okay. So let us check the answer. Is it correct? Okay, same, right? Okay, and IC. Okay, equals to CN divided by Z. So 138.56 angle 105 12 plus 15 J. Okay, you get 7.21 angle. Okay, what is the answer?
53.66
53.66 degree.
degree. Yes.
Okay, same. Okay, same. Okay, before I proceed, this is just a trick, okay, on to make sure your answer is correct. Okay, the amplitude for balance load usually the same. Only the angle change. And the angle is 120 degree apart. Okay. Okay, if you want to know whether your answer is correct or not, you just compare it. Okay, negative 66.34 plus 173.66. Okay. Really? Is it not the same? Okay, let me check first. Okay, 173.66 minus 53.66, you get 120. So between the angle here is 120 degree apart. Okay, for this one, okay, I'm not sure. Wait, 173.66 minus 66.34. Okay, something wrong with here. Is it?
Yes. Originally, I got minus 186.34.
Oh,
That's why.
okay. What is the reason? Wait, let me check first. Okay, 15. Okay, 120. Okay, I think this one is already correct. Okay, what is the problem? Can you spot the problem? Okay. Okay, this one I don't know whether what is the problem. Okay. Okay. For your test or final, make sure that the angle is the difference between the angle is 120 for balance load. Okay. This is how you can know whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. Before I forget, because they ask you the line current, so you just say the phase current is equal to line current. You have to mention this. If not, they is not the mark is incomplete. Okay, because they ask you the line current. Okay. I think that's it for today. Okay. Next week we will continue with the power in the balance system. Okay. I think this one is a short, very short topic. Okay, and then we continue with the unbalanced load. Okay, for your pretest, I still not mark it yet because last week I'm quite busy, so I will try to do it this week. Okay. So anything else before we end the class?
Doctor, can I have the QR code again, please?
QR. Okay. Okay, you can scan it.
Okay, doctor, it's done. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So thank you. Okay. We will see. We see again tomorrow. Okay. See you
Thank you,
again.
doctor. Have a nice
Okay.
day.
Welcome.
Bye.
Okay, doctor, see you.
Okay. See you.